Alright guys, welcome back to another Frankie video. Listen. I'm hadn't even made it to 50 miles an hour yet. And it's just, ugh. The power comes and the power goes. It's just, I about got all the gas run out of it, driving it around. But it's just horrible. Bucking, shaking, jerking. I get the tune-up done and the fuel filter, but I can't go above 50 miles an hour because of the brakes. If I go above 50, they start it starts catching, and I have to slow way down. So I can't go above 50 miles an hour until I get the brakes fixed. But I mean, it's shaking and jerking and bucking and stumbling. Like I said, I got about a quarter of a tank, just a little over a quarter of a tank. I gotta get this bad gas run out of it. But it revs up real high, and I'm running about 45 and a 55 right now. But I can't go above 50 because of the brakes, like I say. But this ain't got to have bad gas in it, because it's just, you know, it's horrible. Every time I go up a hill, I have to hit the brakes, keep them revving up real high. Tune up, spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, fuel filter. I got the fuel filter right there. But it's just, it's almost like riding in a boat. Just Go on, truck. I ain't no big hurry. Go home and get blue. Go to the grocery store. And Lord. See, the brakes are catching, so I gotta slow back down. That brake caliper's bad. That's the only, as I've replaced the brake caliper bracket bolts, tightened them down good, and it's still catching like this. 232,000 miles on the brake caliper. So, and after my brother did the brakes that one time and lost the brake caliper bracket bolt, I think it did something to the brake caliper when my dad hit that ditch, when it locked up and threw him in the ditch that time. I think it messed up the brake caliper. So I get a new brake caliper, and so yeah, here we are back home. Go pick up the groceries, get blue, go to Walmart, pick up the groceries, and there's the Jeep. So yep, there you have it, guys. Another blue Frankie video. Try to find this door latch. Pop the hood so I can disconnect the battery. Roll the window up. Lock him back down. Disconnect the battery terminal. And shut the hood. Now I fire up blue. Wrong key. Oh crap. I left my keys and blue over here. This is always fun, because this ain't the key for this latch. I gotta play with it to get it up. There it goes. Unlock. So. And we'll fire up blue. See, they can start warming up. Oh man. That blue start warming up. Oh. But yeah, brake calipers, the main thing holding me back. I gotta order the new fuel line disconnects so I can change the fuel filter in Frankie and in blue. I'll take my tag back off so it don't get gone. There's like still tags around here. I got about, might as well say about 300 miles left before I gotta do my next rotation on blue. So. And I gotta jump off the Jeep, crank it up, get it moved around. I'm gonna put it back over there where Frankie was in the front yard for a while. This thing, the oil finally settled after about 4 weeks. Been sitting about 4 weeks now, close to it. The oil finally settled. I had been putting 8 quarts of oil in here, and if y'all remember, I put 8 quarts in here, and then if I let it sit for more than a week or two, the oil level gets way like a quart over, and it smells of gasoline. So my coworker said, just put 7 in. That's what it calls for. And after 3 weeks of sitting, 7 quarts is finally right up to the full line. So, got that issue settled. So, come back home this afternoon. I'll jump it off and put it back in the front yard. And need to wash it again. Getting dirty worse than sitting. But yeah. So look, blue warm up, and go to town, pick up the groceries from my mom, come back. Like I said, I still got to get at least 4 more gallons of coolant. Frankie. And so he'll be full of coolant. I topped up all the tire pressures this morning, back to 35. They were around 32, 33. Put them all back to 35. Got mucus. But glad to have Frankie back on the road, ready to get everything sorted out, get the fuel filter replaced, fresh gas in it, brake caliper replaced, tune up, plugs, coils, oxygen sensors. I changed the air filter just a few weeks ago. Get this door latch figured out, where to find one to replace it. Everybody says, why don't you just take the one off of White Lightning up on the hill? I said, why would I take parts off of one good truck there ain't nothing wrong with and use it on another good truck? I'm not taking parts off one good truck to put on another good truck. That makes no sense. So, but yeah, glad to have Frankie back on the road finally. And so, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.